Hello guys, Bobo Juice don't start to inside BBnaija house. Yeah, of the season 6 Shine Your Eyes edition. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite and number one YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. We bring to you sophisticated gist from the world as day hot. Yeah guys, if you're watching my video for the very first time, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so you get alert as day hot each time I drop a new video. Okay guys, Bobo Juice have actually started in the house. In my own opinion, I feel they are overacting and over exaggerating some facts. Sammie has come up to discuss to say that he actually came into Lagos with just 900 naira all the way from Zaria. Koda Koti, he has not to do his school and finish.
If for more of his story, I'm not supposed there. Yes, okay, it's okay. But must say I be fresh born, right? No, I be fresh born. Get shishi. I came to Lagos with 900 naira.
And he came into Lagos with just 900 naira. And then that coming into the Big Brother Naija house is like an achievement to him and like a wow to him and like, Oga, be calming down. Please, be calming down. This life is jejely. Who go win, go win. Who go lose. So just stay focused. You don't need to come and lie to us so that we, the viewers, will try to kind of be sympathetic with you or try to sympathize with you or to give you our vote. Are you buying it? What is that? Just play your game and be yourself. Play a smart game and that's all. So you don't need to come and start bobo juicing us. Well, I hope he shall remain changed because next week I'm personally going to evict him out of the house so that we have change to go back to Zaria where he's coming from. He said in his word that he's actually from a very poor background. Yeah, there's nobody from a wealthy home, even if everybody's struggling. Now this Naija, we all gathered. Okay guys, it's been a lot of buzz as the show began and this is just the day 2 of the show. Already we have so many buzz as White Money and Angel. They don't start to White Money and Princess.
Nobody dey there when I like the space. So when I come to say I want that space, in concern I am there. I come say okay, jokingly, jokingly. I come say okay, can I share with you jokingly? The guy said no. I'm like, what the hell?
No, you can share now.
I didn't say invest me because
but not be the no safe be the problem. And the way we take talk the
exactly.
No be small matter they grand or I say that they drag best space. White money is what I've come to say that anywhere girls are is always problem. That's why I doesn't even like girls. That's why girls are yeah. When girls come, wahala mo shadi. No need. That's the fun. That's the vibe we need. Ojari. They don't start quarrel or beefing. Have start as princess. Don't they beef white money? Say white money, Jack. Okay. The case here is just that. I think one thing the girls fail to understand is that the guys have been in the house before them, and any which way, all the guys should have a bed space to themselves. Number 1. Number 2, the bed is actually 20 and there are 22 housemates in the house. Now, White Money has a bed space already and Princess went and dropped munchies. Princess went and dropped munchies on top of his bed. So he came around and like, okay, this is my bed. And she was like saying, who get this bed? I don't care who's the owner. So White Money is like, okay, I'm waiting for the person that dropped the munchies on my bed to come and face me. So they face themselves now and she's now saying, okay, White Money say, I cannot share the bed with you. She say, can you share bed with me? And the boy say no. And she now vex. She now para. Oga, why? Madam, why? Now she's now going to meet Joe Boy, J Paul, and complain to J Paul that she was joking. She jokingly said that, can I sleep on your bed? And then he now said no, that he took it serious. Okay, my own is now that if you jokingly said that, why are you angry to his response? The guy did not know whether you are joking or you are not joking. Do you understand? So why being angry is a simple thing. Moreover, you fat, the boy fat. How the space won't contain 12 now? In my own opinion, no. So the guy said no because he's not comfortable with you. I felt maybe even if it was Maria that asked if he volunteered. Guys, please don't mind me, but seriously, this is the vibe in the whole thing. I felt if it was Myra that even actually went to ask White Money how to share a bed, he would have openly. But he's not liking you, he's not finding you attractive, there's nothing. So there's nothing to be angry for. And you guys are just meeting yourself. So I believe that in the spirit of sportsmanship at the present, and the whole happiness and the joy of everybody being in the house, if you meet one or two person else, one person is going to agree. So that this guy is not agreeing to you, I see no reason why you should pick up a quarrel with him. In my own opinion, well, no, that's what we want to see. No. Okay, yeah, and J Paul, be careful when when Sunday come and Ebuka start attacking you. You are not saying that princess would have not been angry, but she was angry because of the way White Money said the no. Were you there, Oga? Oga, were you there? Why would princess be even angry because somebody say no? Is he a papa buy bed there? Ha! Ẹ bá mi wá rí o, come and help me to see. Ha! It is well náà ni. J Paul, I'm warning you now. It's because maybe I like you, maybe because of your bed that is in back of your ogo. That is why I like you. Because of you are short, you are so small and portable. It's your gap teeth that make me to like you. But shall be careful, because when time come, you see this princess of a girl, we turn it like this. It's the girl, it's in our nation, it's in our blood. They will turn the things around to you. Seriously, if you're taking sides, just be sure of whatsoever you're taking sides on. Try to analyze on both parties. Don't play a one-party game. Guy, be careful. Be very, very careful. I'm telling you, maybe because I'm already your fan. Okay, here we have two ladies, which is Beatrice and Angel, talking about the same show, the same issue that White Money and Princess had. And Angel was like, she see no reason why they would be angry. Even no, Beatrice was like this. The both of them, they're like, they see no reason why she should be angry. That it doesn't call for annoyance. It doesn't call for you start talking about it, because like it's now the talk in the house at the moment that White Money said no or whatsoever. No. And they were even like saying the both of them are fat. No matter what, this bed is even a one person bed. It's not even going to be comfortable for the both of you. You won't sleep comfortably. So it's a very simple thing. Princess, go and find somebody that is slender a little bit. That is slender, that you can share money. J Paul, share your bed with Princess. The case is closed. And Princess even say something that even shocked me. She said she have a friend, Jackie. Today you new friend, we are watching you. How long will the friend going to last? And that one say you should come and sleep. You not say no because you want boy. It's a lie. Tell me that you like the boy. What do you mean? Princess, tell me you like White Money, because you are seeing White Money. You want to go and have White Money. And I say you don't want to sleep with Jackie. You don't want to sleep with girl. You want to go and sleep with boy. You like fuck too much, Joe. Be careful with me. Okay, guys, this are the Big Brother Naija season 6. Shine your eye. This housemate are forgetting something, that they really need to shine their eye, because they have two white cats in the house. They are forgetting something. They have start to fight. Okay, still your number one favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, will bring you gist as they hot. Hope you're enjoying it. Stay tuned with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like and comment in the comment section below. Until next time, see ya.